저는 Antonin Marlier입니다. Allfeat Head of Asia입니다. 한국어 아직 잘 못해요. 그래서 영어로 알겠습니다. So my name is Antonin Marlier, and I will talk to you a little bit more about the power of blockchain and the future of music IP. So my role in Allfeat is to develop the market in Asia, specifically in South Korea. And I am myself based in South Korea. So I'll be happy to talk to everyone who is interested to know a little bit more about what we do. So what is Allfeat? So Allfeat is building a B2B music metadata platform powered by blockchain. So what is music metadata? So music metadata for us is very important because this is what describes and identifies a piece of work in music. So that it can include the track ID, that can include the track owner, and every kind of information, the artist, the person who wrote the lyrics, etc. And it's such an important piece of data because not only describes the actual IP of the music, but it also helps the users discover new music, for example, through Melon, Spotify, and so on. And this is also the information that is used to pay royalties and to actually know who has the right of that music. And right now, it's a big challenge because 25% of all music royalty is unpaid because of the lack of accurate music metadata. There's also a big problem with AI. I personally love AI, especially in music, and I think it's a great revolution. However, it needs boundaries. And right now, there is no way to know on what music the AI agents have been trained. And having a music metadata platform for that use is actually revolutionary because not only we can track the music that has been used to train the AI agents, but we can also pay the royalties that is due to those owners. And to do that, we actually believe that blockchain is the best technology. So blockchain as a technology revolutionized the way we can track data in a secure and transparent way. So what is Allfeat exactly? So we're actually building the world's layer 1 blockchain for the music industry. So we have 3 layers of technology. The first layer is the actual layer 1 blockchain, so the mainnet, which is launching at the end of the year. The second layer is a platform that anyone can use to actually store and secure the music metadata. So anyone that has music metadata, so distributors, labels, artists, can actually host that music metadata directly on the platform. And finally, we have a music blockchain ecosystem. So this ecosystem is made up of applications that uses Web3 technology and blockchain that actually work with the layer 1 blockchain and the music metadata platform to know who is the right owner of the music and be able to directly pay the royalties on the blockchain, using the blockchain. So as I mentioned, the second layer is called MIDS. This is our music metadata platform. So MIDS stands for Music Industry Decentralized Data Structures. So this data structures is actually made to mimic the way the music industry works, but on the blockchain. So we've created 4 different modules for any music owners to actually store the music and metadata on the blockchain. So any artist can come tomorrow and put their music using the performing artist structure. We also have one dedicated to the music tracks and to the musical works, as well as the music release and how to handle license. For us, this is revolutionary because tomorrow, everyone will be able to access a decentralized database of clean and certified music metadata. And the users will be able to directly pay the royalties due to those owners directly on the blockchain. We've been working on this for a few years now, and MIDS should be launched at the end of this year. We're always looking for labels, distributors, artists to actually add more music metadata to help us go faster and bigger. So why IP in music? So actually, Allfeat is not just building a music metadata, but it's building the future of IP. So right now, we have about 30 plus partners that will be using our platform by the end of the year. That can be tokenization of real-world assets, RWA. That can be also licensing. Gaming, because gaming right now is a big topic in the blockchain and Web3 ecosystem. Gaming is the second largest type of application on the blockchain. And right now, whenever music is played on a game, there's no way to track accurately and to pay the right owners. So we can also help companies do metaverse and NFT, of course, like any other blockchain, but we can also go a little bit further with streaming using the blockchain and AI. So AI is not only about generative AI, but it's also about data analysis. And we believe that if we can use blockchain and AI together, this is where we create this huge revolution in terms of music metadata. As I mentioned, we already have 30 plus partners ready to launch on our platform, including a few in Korea. So I'd like to thank again IP Shop for the invitation. It's been great partners so far, so thank you so much, guys, for the invitation. We also work with well-known companies like Anlab that also provide us with security, advisory, and help us with the validator of the blockchain. And also we have a lot of different other partners in the world. So we have partners in the USA, for example, Token Tracks and Core Protocol, which is a big protocol specifically designed for IP. We work with companies based in Asia, in Taiwan, in Hong Kong, etc. And we work with the largest French validator, blockchain validator provider in France. So we are ready to launch in Q4 to actually go a little bit further and to really help everyone put their music metadata, certify them, and finally pay the right owners of the music. Our team is quite diverse in terms of profiles. The co-founders, Louis Lagoutte, the CTO, JC Barat, the CEO, is also a member of the Council of French Music Tech, which is an association that helps music tech company in France find an audience. And we also have advisors from some of the biggest companies in the world. So Vincent is from Sony Music, which he used to be VP of Digital and Sales. Inder Full, who is the CEO of Pixelenx and Core Protocol, which is a big protocol for music IP based in the USA. And also Prasanna, who is also helping us with the Indian markets from the Indian Blockchain Forum. So our team is made up of experts that have actually lots of experience in music, AI, and blockchain. So even though we are launching at the end of the year, we're currently launching a special edition NFT, which is 100% free to get. And this NFT is the first step for us to launch. So as I mentioned, it's 100% free. It's for you to understand how the platform works. and this will be used for a token airdrop that we will be launching at the end of the year. If you are interested to know a little bit more about how the blockchain works, you can go to mint.allfeat.com and get that beautiful pass that will actually give you a bunch of rewards in terms of music NFTs, music access, etc. So that's it for me. I really want to put emphasis on how blockchain can actually help music IP, and I believe that blockchain is the best technology for that. We really believe hard. We've been building for 3 years now this platform. If you are interested in learning about how it works, we have all the technical documentation on how our music metadata data structure is actually working. So this is a link with all the different information, technical documentation, social media as well. We are everywhere. So feel free to come and talk to me. And if you're interested in how music metadata works, I'll be happy to tell you a little bit more. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.